Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to talk about Vinted and review the app to understand whether it is worth it or not. Vinted is a popular online marketplace for buying and selling second-hand clothing and accessories. It offers a great way to find unique pieces at affordable prices while also promoting sustainable fashion practices. However, the platform is not without its drawbacks, and users should be aware of potential pitfalls before diving in. First, we'll talk about the pros of using Vinted. Number 1. Wide variety. Vinted boasts a vast selection of items ranging from high street brands to designer labels. Second, affordable prices. You can find great deals on pre-loved clothing, often at a fraction of the original price. Number 3. Sustainability. Vinted promotes a circular economy by encouraging the reuse of clothing, reducing waste, and minimizing the environmental impact of the fashion industry. Number 4. Community. Vinted fosters a sense of community where users can connect, share tips, and even make friends. Number 5. Ease of use. The platform is user-friendly with a simple interface for browsing, buying, and selling. Now, we will talk about the cons of using Vinted. Number 1. Buyer protection. Vinted's buyer protection can be inconsistent, and some users report difficulties resolving issues with sellers or receiving refunds. Number 2. Shipping costs. Shipping costs can be high, especially for international orders, and can sometimes outweigh the price of the item itself. Number 3. Scammers. While Vinted takes measure to prevent scams, fraudulent sellers and buyers still exist. Users should be cautious and exercise due diligence when interacting with others on the platform. Number 4. Counterfeit items. There's a risk of encountering counterfeit items on Vinted, although the platform does have policies in place to address this issue. Number 5. Communication. Communication with sellers can be slow or challenging, especially for those who are not native English speakers. Conclusion: Vinted is a valuable platform for those seeking affordable, sustainable fashion options. However, it is important to be aware of the potential drawbacks and exercise caution when buying and selling. If you are a savvy shopper and willing to take some risks, Vinted can be a treasure trove of second-hand fashion finds. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.